November 3rd, 2024, we went to Cass Scenic Railroad State Park in West Virginia. We took a ride on the Greenbrier Express Cass to Durbin round-trip train. This was the third time we'd been to the town of Cass. Population 13 in 2022. Founded in 1901. The town is filled with historic homes and commercial buildings, and was decorated for Halloween. This was the second train ride we've taken from here, and it's a lovely spot. There is a gift shop and restaurant by the station. The ride costs $91 per person, including a $2 senior citizen discount, and was from 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. This train has dining-style cars with tables and chairs where passengers sat facing each other.
Now look at those jets flying up there. It's going to be gorgeous today.
The right side of the car, facing forward, was the most open area, looking over the river, fields, and forest.
And if you noticed over here on the left-hand side, there was a couple of little cottages. I call them cottages, they're really little shacks. That are summer camps. But you have to use your imagination. All this out here where this pasture area is, the sawmill is sitting out here next to the river. And this is where they would have stored the harvested timber and then the finished lumber. There was also a freight siding over here that was called the freight. Been washed away. An entire new approach had to be excavated. It crested between some damages. Over 3,500 homes. 39 years later, thanks to a private public initiative between the Durbin and Greenbrier Valley Railroad.
We saw deer running across the river, which was a first for us.
To come into the old sawmill town of Hosterman. Now Hosterman.
We stopped for routine maintenance and explored the train.
With the exception of your clothes and your food. Go to get the information on it. You can see the cabooses once we get into Durbin because they are sitting.
Here we are, in the town of Durbin.
Welcome to Durbin, West Virginia, everyone. A little creek. Now this little creek is called the West Fork of the Greenbrier River. Afternoon, if you look right up here on the riverside, you're going to see a set of railroad tracks.
We stopped on the house track to unload. They fed us lunch at one of the restaurants in the town as part of the excursion package.
We are supposed to assemble the sandwich by ourselves, resulting a long line, and we have waited for a long time. This is not a good way.
Yep. This was the trip back, which included a stop for routine service for the
We do
train.
have fish. We have turtles out here about the size of your hand.
We're back. It was a very serene ride, and we liked it very much. Thank you for watching. and we'll see you in the next video.